I heard Thomas shout Freddie's name, and it was the most horrific call. We just knew that something awful had happened. Freddie was throwing up and he wasn't clutching my hands. His eyes were rolling at the back of the head and he looked pretty vacant.
Oh. I was just shaking. They had the blocks on him, they was putting the torches in his eye, and I could tell by the nurse's reaction it didn't look good. I didn't know what to think. It's a bit like a blank. I do feel guilty. I felt we shouldn't have been letting him up the tree. I shouldn't be letting him do loads of things. You think, it starts going through your head, but I didn't want to take that away from him. Stop him from being a boy.